So hey guys, and today we're going nature hunting. So we're not actually going hunting like we're going hunting like looking for creepy crawlers and telling some we're gonna look up some facts, or maybe we already know some facts and we're gonna tell you about them. So let's go. So hey guys, what we're gonna be riding to find these creepy critters is the Razor. We've used this for many and manys. We've used this for riding all around, playing cops. We have some good memories with this thing. The thing that we will not be using is this big mama right here. Big Red Billy. So we will now we're gonna go scavenging right now. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll be getting surprises when we have money. Hey guys, now my dad's driving. Say hi.
Hi.
So now we'll be going around and looking for stuff. Okay guys? Okay, I'm trying to look in the mirror so I can see the screen. Okay, let's look. Okay, so now we're gonna try to get into some deeper parts. Here, a whipping stick if we find any snakish. Snaky. I checked under there, Jackson. Nothing under there. Just playing with this. But we have to keep going. Yeah. And Jackson loves animals. He doesn't want to hurt them. Let's see. Do we have anything in here? No. Unless there's something that looks like a tree, and then I just a snake, and it just goes. What was that? Oh. You can see our tracks over here. Oh. Let's look over here, down like over here. Come on, Jackson. Let's look that like over here. So we found this really good nature place where there might be some there's poison ivy, so there might be poison ivy. So don't get really deep. Bugs. I don't see anything. see if we can find them. Look at that. What? It just blended in. Like we couldn't. I'm actually learning about camouflage in school. Me too. So he's using some camouflage there. Do you want to see if I can grab him?
No.
Well, bye. Have fun, Mr. Toad. Yeah. What should his name be? Mr. Toad. You probably can't see it, but there's a bird. Do you see it moving? It's right in the bush. Well, we found a brown bird. Yeah. Do you see it? It should move. Oh, I just lost it now. But we found a brown bird. Comment down below if you found it. So we're gonna make this more. In there something, but no. Yeah. Comment down below if you see anything in there. I know I'm asking you to comment down below a lot of stuff, but we like to hear if you like how much we're posting. Yeah. Please, we're running out of subscribers, so we want those subscribers back up. We just went down, so we want them to get more. And just comment down below if you would like us to keep posting, because we will. We just think that we're posting too much. Yeah. Look, but we're really actually not. Oh yeah, up there. You guys see it? I mean, it's up in the sky. Now we found a middle flying bird. Yeah. That's really cool. Let's go in here. That's all where I'm gonna look. I'm not gonna look any farther. The cameraman can. Go this way. You don't know this way. I have a really good shot right now to see it, and I don't see anything in that bush that we were just looking in. So let's keep moving. Yeah, let's look over here. I haven't looked over here. Guys, I found a snake hole. Right here. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Yeah, that there's a snake. Where? Yeah, it looks like a duck. Down I go. Are you okay? No. Easier. I'm gonna jump off. Look, guys, I found an ant. He has like a red back. Yeah, he just ran off. He was like, oh, he's right there. In that leaf. You guys see him? Comment down below if you can. I just found a feather. Whoa, a feather. No, it might have rabies. Rabies is the rabies.
You see it? It's right there.
Rabies is the ravens. Ooh. Do not touch that. I'm pretty sure those are poisonous. What? These mushrooms. Guys, it's kind of getting a little dark.
Yeah.
Hold up. Look at that. That's
Oh,
where
yeah. Owl would live or something, or woodpecker.
or anything. Do you
Yeah.
want to go look in there?
I wouldn't. Cameraman, do you want to?
Okay. So, we're going to call it a day, and we'll meet back tomorrow. We got a lot of stuff to do. It's getting dark already. Jeez. Okay.
So see you next video.
See you next time. We'll probably wash the razor. Okay. Probably.
Bye.
Bye. We're back. And while we were putting everything away, this is going to be kind of short, but we found this snail. He was hanging like right here somewhere. And I was like, whoa.